Well, hello again, YouTube. It's Petey Two Finger, and today we're going to be doing a snack time video. Welcome back to Snack Time with Petey. We have Petey's Bing Raz. So this is raspberry juice, B vitamins, vitamin C, caffeine, ginseng beverage, 40 calories per can. We've got our fancy little screwdriver. Smells exactly what you would think like a more natural raspberry smell, which has been come to be what I've expected with the Petey's drinks. Now, the last one was berry, and it wasn't potent. The apple and the cherry were like strong, meaning I would have liked to use ice to ice them down. This is potent. This is delightful. The Raz is delicious. We've got one more to go. And it's a shame I drank one of these at the party where I was gifted them. I didn't even think of it. I was just like, oh, I want to have one. Let me have the apple. And I normally berry and raspberry is something I don't go for, but this is delicious. This is just really good, honestly delicious flavor. It is a different color. No, you know what? It looks like it's the same. When I'm looking at it in the light, it's just red. It's almost like grape juice. How grape juice looks that dark red color if you put a light through it. And typically with snack time, I've got doppelkeks again. I apologize. This is the first time I've done a double with snack time videos. I usually always have something different. Deutsche Küche. These doppelkeks are so good. This is authentic German food, imported from Germany. As I mentioned, the last time that I had these, the serving suggestion is one cookie. They're pretty big. 140 calories, 3 grams of saturated fat, 35 grams of sodium, and 9 grams of sugar. So, not the best, but these fall under the category of you only live once. It's a pretty good combo. Excuse me. It's tempting for me to dig in and have another one, but just because you only live once doesn't mean you should overdo it. Speaking of overdoing it, I wanted to let you guys know something happened to me last night, and I'm really scared. I was making patches on my multi-effector. We've got no monitor on here. Well, I'm gonna I can't redo the snack time video because I've only got so I'm gonna assume that this is working. My pinky finger started hurting really badly, like the skin pain in the skin pain, nerve pain, I don't know what, but it's like right where I press to fret my finger. I was playing for, excuse me, over an hour. I was playing the guitar, and I developed this pain in my finger that got intense enough there was no way I could continue playing. And I woke up and I still have it. So I don't know what that's about. If you've ever had pain on your finger, like there's no callus there or anything. It's just like almost feels like there's a sliver in that area. Like it's just like about 1 square centimeter of really sharp pain in the skin on my pinky, right where I fret. And when I'm reduced to PD one finger, I'm no longer going to be able to play the guitar. So bad news for PD. But if I had to retire at this time, hey, it was a pretty good run, wasn't it? All right, you guys, I'm going to finish this raspberry PD's energy drink. You guys try to stay warm, and the important thing is that you be kind to animals. So hug your pets if you have one. I'll talk to you guys soon. I know I'm constantly begging for you to send good vibes to me because I'm not feeling well lately, so I apologize for that. But in the long run, hey, peace.